Okay, good morning students. Today we will be starting exercise 4.3, that is graphical representation of linear equation in two variable. Very first question, that is draw the graph of the each of the following linear equations. First equation is x plus y equals to 4. So remember children, in your NCERT books, although it is given that you have to calculate any two solution pairs and then you have to plot the graph, but we will be doing by finding out three solution pairs and then plotting the graph. I have told you the reason why we are doing that, because if we are finding 3 points and then we will be joining the 3 points, then there is only one line which can pass through 3 points. Okay, but if we are having only 2 points and we are plotting on the graph, it will always be a line. It will always form a line. So 2 points are always collinear, but 3 points not necessarily be always collinear. Okay, so if we are doing wrong, then our 3 points will not form a straight line. So in this way we can check also. That's why I am telling you that I always suggest to find out 3 points, 3 solution pairs, and then we will plot the lines. Look how we'll do. First of all, we can take for x equals to 0. We can take the value of x as 0. Then what will be the value of y? Substituting the value of x is equal to 0 in the equation, we get 0 plus y equals 4, y equals to 4. So the first solution pair will be for x equals to 0, y equals to 4. 0 comma 4 is the first solution pair. Second solution pair, if we take the value of y equals to 0, for y equals to 0, so it will become x plus 0 equals 4, that is x equals to 4. So second solution pair will be 4 comma 0. Similarly, we will find out the third solution pair. Third solution pair, we can take the value of x equals to 1. So it will be 1 plus y equals 4, y equals to 4 minus 1, y equals to 3. Okay, so third solution pair will be 1 comma 3. So we will just write this in the form of table. For x equals to 0, y equals to 4. For x equals to 4, y equals to 0. For x equals to 1, y is equal to 3. Okay, so before plotting 2-3 points, you have to keep in mind. First of all, you will be using, however, graph, but I am not having the graph, so I am doing it on the this paper, but you will be drawing it on graph. So first thing which you have to keep in mind is you have to write the scale. So what will be the scale here? I have chosen the scale as on both axes, that is x axis as well as y axis. I have taken 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So don't forget to write the scale on the graph. Secondly, you have to mention x dash, that is the x axis, and y dash, that is the y axis. And always remember one thing, that on the right side it will be positive. This all we have discussed in coordinate geometry. And on above the origin will be positive y axis, y coordinates. Okay, so this we will be doing. Secondly, now we will be marking the points. So first point is 0 comma 4. X coordinate 0 and y coordinate is 4. So this 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 will be lying where? It will be lying on the y axis, because the x coordinate is 0. So 0 comma 4 will be lying on the y axis. Okay, secondly, 4 comma 0 will be lying on the x axis. This will be 4 comma 0. Got it? Third point is we are having 1 comma 3. So for 1 comma 3 we can simply take the help of ruler to draw 1 comma 3. Okay, this will be 1 comma 3. Okay, so this is the point where 1 comma 3. So this is 1 comma 3. Now with the help of ruler, we can join these 3 points. Okay, we will join these 3 points and the number line will be drawn. Okay, and you have to put the double sided arrow because it is a number line, so it will be with the double headed arrow, and clearly you can see that all the 3 points are lying on this line, straight line. All 3 points are forming a same straight line. That means our points are correct. This way we can check. Okay, so secondly, when this line is drawn, you don't have to forget, you have to keep this in mind. First thing what I have told, scale you have to write. Second point you have to keep in mind is that you have to write the coordinates of all the 3 points. All the 3 points coordinate you have written. Third thing is very important, you have to write the equation. What was the equation? X plus y equals to 4. You will write this equation on this line, that is x plus y equals to 4, like this. So this is the complete solution. We have plotted the graph of this given equation. Now we come to the second part of the question. Second part, similarly in the second part, x minus y equals to 2, we will first of all calculate the 3 solution pairs. So for x equals to 0, 0 minus y equals to 2, that is minus y equals to 2, y equals to minus 2. So first pair will be what? For x equals to 0, y equals to minus 2. Now we will move to the second pair for taking y equals to 0. So x minus y, that is x minus 0 equals to 2, x equals to 2. Second solution pair will be 2 comma 0. Now we can take the third pair. Third pair we are having, we can take for example for y equals to 1. So x minus 1 equals to 2, x equals to 2 plus 1, x equals to 3. Third solution pair will be what? Third solution pair will be 3 comma 1. So we can draw the table, that is x and y. For x equals to 0, y equals to minus 2. For x equals to 2, y equals to 0. For x equals to 3, y equals to 1. Now we will plot the graph. Now we will be plotting the graph of this. Okay, so don't forget to write the scale. On both axes I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, with the help of ruler I have taken every 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so you can use the graph for that. And x dash, y dash. Now we will start plotting. First is 0 comma minus 2. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 2. So this will be the first point. That will be, if x is coordinate is 0, it will be lying on the y axis. So this is 0 comma minus 2. Second coordinate is 2 comma 0. So since the y coordinate is 0, it will be lying on the x axis. It will be 2 comma 0. Okay, now the third coordinate is 3 comma 1. So 3 comma 1 will be, with the help of ruler we can take the help. Okay, so 3 comma 1 will be somewhere around here. 3 comma 1. Okay, so 3 comma 1, you can see that it is lying over here. So this is the point. This is 3 comma 1. Now we can see clearly that all the 3 points are lying on a same straight line. We can join all 3 lines, all 3 points we can join together. Okay, like this. We will join the line, double-sided arrow, and then we will write the equation on top of this line. what is the equation? Equation is x minus y equals to 2. So it is written like x minus y equals to 2. So this will be, so don't forget to write the scale, don't forget to write the equation on the top of this line and the coordinates and x dash y dash. Okay. Now we will move to the third part. Y is equal to 3x. So I have told you, if the equation is in this form, x is equal to ky or y is equal to kx, so it will always pass through origin. Let's see. Y is equal to 3x. For x equals to 0, y equals to 3 times of 0, that is y equals to 0. So first coordinate is 0 comma 0, means it will pass through origin. Second part, if we take the value of x equal to 1, that will be y equals to 3 times of 1, y equals to 3. So coordinate will be 1 comma 3. Now the third coordinate we can take for x equals to 2. So y equals to 3 into 2, y equals to 6. The coordinate will be 2 comma 6. Now we will plot it on the graph. Okay, for plotting, again we'll write the scale. On both axes I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit and x dash y dash. Okay, this is x and x dash and this is y and y dash. Okay, now plots 0 comma 0, this is the origin, 0 comma 0. Second point 1 comma 3, that is plus 1 and plus 3. So with the help of ruler we can see plus 1 and plus 3. Okay, so it will be plus 1 and plus 3. So plot will be here. So this will be the plot, that is plus 1 and plus 3, 1 comma 3. Now third one is 2 comma 6. So with the help of ruler, again we will, so 2 comma 6 will be, so this point will be 2 comma 6. Okay, now if we draw a line, the line is passing through all the 3 points or not? Yes, it is passing through all the 3 points. Okay, that means our plots are correct. Okay, and don't forget to write the what? Equation. What was the equation? Y equals to 3x. So scale I have written, x dash y dash written, coordinates of all the points written, and the equation written. Got it? Now the fourth part, 3 is equal to 2x plus 5. So for first point x equals to 0, 3 equals to 2 into 0 plus y. So 3 equals to 0 plus y, that is y equals to 3. So first point will be 0 comma 3. Now the second point for x equals to plus 1. So 3 equals to 2 into 1 plus y. So that is 3 equals to 2 plus y. So y equals to 3 minus of 2. So y equals to 3 minus 2, 1. That is coordinates will be 1 comma 1. Now the third point for x equals to 2. For x equals to 2, 3 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 plus y. 3 equals to 4 plus y. So y equals to 3 minus 4, that is y equals to minus 1. So the coordinates will be what? The coordinates will be 2 comma minus 1. So we can draw the table. For x equals to 0, y equals to 3, for x equals to 1, y equals to 1, for x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1. Now we will plot. Now we will plot the graph. So first of all, scale we have taken on both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and x dash, y dash. Then first point is 0 comma 3. It will be x is 0, so it will be on the y axis. So x is 0, y is 3. This will be 0 comma 3. Okay. Second is 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 will be this point, 1 comma 1. Then 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1 will be this point, will be 2 comma minus 1. So now we can check whether these 3 points are forming a straight line or not. Yes, it is forming a straight line. So we will draw it. This will be the plot of given linear equation in two variables. We will write the equation on top of it. What is the equation? Equation was 3 equals to 2x plus y. 2x plus y. So don't forget scale, coordinates of all the 3 points, equation, x and x dash, y and y dash. Okay, we will move to question number 2. Give equations of two lines passing through 2 comma 14. So 2 comma 14 will be a point in the Cartesian plane. So we have to give equations of two lines. How many lines can pass through such point? So we know that infinite number of lines can pass through a point. So first of all, for x equals to 2 and y equals to 14, what is the value of x plus y? X plus y will be 2 plus 14, that is equal to 16. So one equation we can write it as x plus y equals to 16. This is one equation, first equation. Similarly, if we x equals to 2, y equals to 14, for x equals to 2, y equals to 14, what will be y minus x? Y minus x will be 14 minus 2, that is equals to 12. So second equation we can frame as y minus x equals to 12. So these are the two equations which we can two equation of the lines passing through 2 comma 14. But how many lines can pass through such, how many such lines can pass through this point? Infinite number of lines can pass through point 2 comma 14. Okay, question 3. If 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y equals to ax plus 7, find the value of a. So for 3 comma 4 means x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. The equation, we will substitute the value of x equals to 3 and y equals to 4 in the equation 3y equals to ax plus 7. So 3 multiplied by y, what is y? That is 4, equal to ax, that is a, multiplied by value of x, what is x? X is 3, okay, plus 7. So substituting, what we get? 4 is a 12 equals to 3 times of a plus 7. Transposing 12 minus 7 equals to 3 times of a, that is 5 equals to 3a. A will be equals to 5 upon 3. Question number 4. So in the question 4 it is given we have to take distance, let distance covered, it is given the question only, bx kilometers and the total fare is rupees y. Okay, so and it is such that for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 rupees per kilometer. That means if we are for journey of 2 kilometers, so person will be charged rupees 8 for the first kilometer and rupees 5 for the next kilometer. For journey of 3 kilometer, first kilometer rupees 8 will be charged, and for the subsequent second and third kilometer rupees 5 will be charged, and so on. So this is what the question is asking about. So let distance covered, we have to take x kilometer and the total fare is rupees y. So in this case, what will be the total fare? Total fare will be, according to question, total fare will be what? Total fare will be equal to fare for first kilometer. What is fare for first kilometer? For the first kilometer, fare is rupees 8. So fare for first we will write it, fare for first kilometer plus fare for subsequent kilometer. So subsequent is total distance covered is x kilometer. So what will be the, after covering 1 kilometer, how much distance is left? For example, this is the total distance. So 1 kilometer is covered. This is 1 kilometer and total is x kilometer. So this distance will be what? X minus 1 kilometer. This distance will be x minus 1 kilometer. Okay. So fare for the next subsequent kilometer, that is x minus 1 kilometer. Okay. So total fare will be the fare for, again I am explaining once again, that if the total distance covered is x kilometer, this is the total distance covered is x kilometer, and the distance covered for the first kilometer, this is the 1 kilometer of journey. So how much journey is left after covering 1 kilometer? If the total distance car has to cover is x kilometer and the car has covered 1 kilometer, how much journey is left? This will be equal to, this distance left will be equal to the total distance, that is x, minus the distance already been covered, that is x minus 1 kilometer. Got it? So here we know that what is given? Total fare is given. Total fare is what? Total fare is rupees y. So we can write it, the equation as, according to this equation will be, total fare will be written as y equals to fare for first kilometer. For the first kilometer, what is the fare? For the first kilometer, fare is rupees 8 as given in the question, that is 8, plus fare for x minus 1 kilometer. So x minus 1 kilometer will be what? What will be the fare for x minus 1 kilometer? It is given in the question that for the subsequent journey, 5 rupees will be charged for every kilometer after the first kilometer. So for 1 kilometer it will be 5 rupees, for 2 kilometer it will be 5 into 2, for 3 kilometer it will be 5 into 3, for x kilometer it will be 5 into x, for x minus 1 kilometer it will be 5 multiplied by x minus 1. I suppose it is clear to you. So it will be what? Y equals to 8 plus 5 multiplied by x will be 5x, 5 multiplied by minus 1 will be minus 5. Now we will simplify. Y equals to 5x plus 8 minus 5. That is y equals to 5x. 8 minus 5 is what? 8 minus 5 is plus of 3. So this will be the equation. We can also write it in the form of general form, that is 5x minus of y plus 3 equals to 0. This will be our equation. Now what we have to do? We have to plot the graph also. So for plotting the graph, we have to take out 3 points as we have done earlier. So we will be taking out the 3 points. Our equation is 5x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. This is the equation. So first of all, we'll take the value of x equals to 0 for x equals to 0. So 5 into 0 minus y plus 3 equals 0. that is 0 minus y plus 3 equals 0. So y equals to 3. So the first point will be what? X is 0, y is 3. Similarly, if we take the value of y for y equals to for x equals to 1, so it will be 5 into 1 minus of y plus of 3 equals to 0. So that is 5 minus y plus 3 equals 0. So it will be 5 plus 3 minus y equals 0. That is 8 minus of y equals 0. Y equals to 8. The second point will be x1, y is 8. So third point, for x equals to 2, we will put in the equation 5 into x, that is 5 into 2 minus of y plus 3 equals 0, that is 10 minus y plus 3 equals 0. 10 plus 3 minus y equals 0. So here the value 13 minus y equals 0. So y equals to 13. So third point will be 2 comma 13. So this will be 3 points we can form in the form of a table. We can write 3 points x and y. First point was x equals to 0, y equals to 3. Second point, x equals to 1, y equals to 8, and the third point is 2 comma 13. Now we will plot the graph. So we will plot the graph. Scale on both the axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and first point and x dash, y dash. First point is 0 comma 3. So that is x 0 and y is 3. It will be on the y axis. This point, this is 0 comma 3. Okay. Second point is 1 comma 8. This is 1 and this is 8. So we can take the help of the ruler for this. So this will be 1 comma 8. Okay. Third point is 2 comma 13. So 2 comma 13 will be again 2 comma 13 will be this point, that is 2 comma 13. Now we will draw the line passing through all 3 points. Is there a line passing through all the 3 points? Yes, it is there. You will use a good quality pencil with sharp pencil. Okay. So we will write the equation also on this. What will be the equation? The equation is what? 5x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. So I have written the scale, I have written the equation, I have written the coordinates x dash, y dash. Okay.